thought I'd take a minute to talk about what went down with my app in the Google Play Store last week, because it was a bit of a wild ride and they sent out some really scary messaging, and I just want to make sure that everybody knows what that was and what that wasn't. First of all, my app is up in both the Google Play and the Apple Store. It never left the Apple Store. So you know how you always get the worst emails at the worst possible time? As I was leaving my house to go to a chorus rehearsal, I got this email from Google and it's like, your app has been removed for spyware. I couldn't do all that much about it right at the moment, but my coder Tom and I kind of sprung into action as we could to try to figure out, number one, what did they mean by that? Why did they think this app was doing something dangerous or having spyware? And if so, how to handle that, and if not, how to handle that. It is impossible to talk to a person in real time at the Google Play Store. You only can communicate via an email, in essence, and then you have to kind of go back and forth at their whim. So it's not like somebody's sitting there at a help desk ready to help you right then. You submit a ticket, they get back to you. And so we kept asking questions like, what is this, what's going on? And they just kept spitting back like a quote from their policies. And we're like, okay, I get that. But there's nothing in this app that's, downloading or uploading anything that's dangerous. So we scoured the internet and we looked for people who kind of were having the same issues, and there were a handful of breadcrumbs, but nothing really substantial. Tom looked over the app. It's fine. It's doing everything it's supposed to and nothing it's not supposed to. So we went back and forth with Google Play probably, 8 to 12 times. It was ridiculous, whatever it was. In essence, from what we can tell, the app seems like it was flagged for doing something that it doesn't do. And so they're like, you need to disclose that you're doing this thing, that you're, requesting information from users and uploading it. And we're like, but we're not doing that. Finally, we figured out what we needed to do, and we need to kind of add to our permissions, disclaimers, and things like that, even though we're not actually asking users for all of this information. And then we had to submit it. The problem is the workflow in Google Play is very confusing, and it took us, four tries to get them to stop thinking that we were trying to just re-upload the old app. So it was very frustrating, but I'm happy to report that it finally went through again, that there are no problems, everything works great. But in the meantime, of course, all of the users were getting these really scary looking dialog boxes that are like, this app is dangerous and it's malware and it's spyware and you need to delete it right away. But now's a good time to go re-upload it if that was you. Now that said, if you're like, I have no idea what you're talking about, cool. Either go update the app, or it's a great time to download it, because right now my focus is uploading some new really awesome playlists. I got some chord playlists. I'm gonna have some other voices up there leading warm-ups in the next few weeks. So go check out Vocal Warm-Ups with Kathleen, available on both app and Google Play stores. But seriously, thanks for your support and your patience and your understanding. Nobody wants anything like that to happen, and we're really happy that everything is now resolved and good to go, and hopefully it won't happen again. See ya.